So many times on an inspection, particularly in a vacant house or a house that's been newly remodeled, new appliances, a lot of times they're shut off or left not fully installed by the contractor just because they're worried about the plumbing leaking or the electrical. And that's fairly obvious, and that's just a matter of having the seller show the buyer that everything's working before closing. Other times it's not so obvious. So in this instance, this is a property that I'm actually working on. This dishwasher would not work for no known reason. It was flashing a code. It's a KitchenAid. It was flashing a code 6.4. So looking up online, and of course you always, if you Google stuff, you're going to find worst case scenario. And there was everything from complete failure to just replace the thing to replace all the internal parts, etc., etc. What it was doing was it was coming on, it was cycling, but it wasn't filling with water, and then it was pumping itself dry, which didn't have any water in it anyways. But when I did pour water in it, it did the same thing. It came on, it cycled, and then it drained itself, flashing a 6.4 code. Get online, look at a million things. I finally find a video from someone over, well, I don't know where they were, but they had a heavy English accent, and he said to take the kick plate off. Shine a light on for you. I can't open it because if you can hear it, it's running. Right here is the float valve. Here's the bottom of it. And he said to give that thing a right smack in the bottom, like that, because it might just be stuck with some debris. Sure enough, the thing worked just fine after that. It's just finishing up its first cycle now. So just goes to show a lot of times, even though it may take a while to figure something out, or it may not be what you want to hear and everything's not working right, sometimes it really is as simple as just smacking it a little harder, maybe get a bigger hammer.